was all you, huh?
Yeah.
What'd you do, Saul?
Whatever you think I did. I don't really know.
I saw your car.
Okay.
You push it in a ditch?
What?
Did you push it in a ditch?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Well, I mean, you either did or you didn't, so, which one is it?
I don't know what you want. Do you want the money back? Because it's in a bag in the other room. You can take it.
I just want what happened.
I told you what happened.
Did you?
Look, okay.
Are you kidding me with this?
Really?
Do you know what he did for you? $7 million of your money. He hauled it across a damn desert without one penny missing. And he got you out of jail for a murder that, let's face it, you're definitely guilty of. He did everything you asked and went way beyond what any other lawyer would ever do. So, what exactly is it that you're getting at? What do you want?
I found his car in a ravine. Bullet holes on the side. So I'm just waiting to hear how that happened.
Bullet holes. That's it? Look, I don't know what it's like where you're from, but here in New Mexico, you leave a soda can out, someone's taking a shot at it. That's what you're on about. You don't think it's possible a couple of yahoos with guns shot up a piece of junk car and then rolled it down in a ditch? End of story? What kind of operation are you running, anyway? Tell me. Because I think I know why you sent him to do this job. It's obvious. You have no one else you can trust. Right? So you sent some lawyer through the desert with your $7 million? No offense, but you need to get your house in order.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really. If you don't trust your men with your money, you have bigger problems than if you trust Saul Goodman. And for the record, he doesn't lie. Not to me, not to his clients. He's telling you the truth. But next time you have a bunch of money and no one you can trust, leave him out of it, okay? Try a wire transfer, try a shell company, or you've heard of the Cayman Islands, right? Jesus, get your together and stop torturing the one man who went through hell to save your ass.